Do you wake up with a headache every day? Does your jaw feel tired? Your teeth more sensitive? And have you noticed your face looking wider, more defined? This could be bruxism. While you sleep, your teeth are constantly clenching and grinding. And it doesn't just cause pain, over time, it can actually change the shape of your face. The jaw muscles become more tense and prominent. Your teeth start to wear down, becoming shorter and smaller. Your gums may start to show more, even affecting the appearance of your smile. A night guard works like armor. It protects your teeth from wear and helps relieve all that pressure that's reshaping your face while you sleep. Pay attention to the signs. Bruxism goes far beyond what you might imagine.